Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Before we start the class, today you need to open your book, exercise 4.2, question number 6, which we left yesterday. Let's start discuss that question 6. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on the day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. We need to find here the number of articles and the cost of each article. So, let's suppose number of articles produced on the particular day. We can suppose it as X. And as it is given in the question, the cost of production of each article is given to you 3 more than twice the number of articles produced. So obviously it will be twice the number of articles produced means 2x, and it is 3 more, so it will be 2x plus 3. Here it is given to you the total cost of production rupees 90. And what is the total cost of production? Total cost of production is always number of articles into the cost of each article. So it will be x into 2x plus 3. So now we can easily multiply it, and after multiplying we will get the quadratic equation, and again you have to use the factorization method. You will get your answer, the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Now we are going to the next topic. The next topic is the second method, and which I told you that is cut from your syllabus. So we will skip that and we will go to the next method, quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. What is this formula? It's given in your book on page number 83. You can open it. As your standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So to find the roots we are considering as alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are simply the name of the roots. Alpha we can consider as x only, and beta is also x. So these are the roots. The formula is saying that the roots are equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These a, b, c are these coefficients from your quadratic equation only. Now, what is b square minus 4ac? b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, or we are denoting it by d. Discriminant is telling us the nature of roots. What is the nature of roots? As if d value, it means if we are finding only b square minus 4ac, if the d value comes greater than 0, then we are saying the equation has two distinct real roots. Two distinct means two different real roots. If your discriminant comes equal to 0, it means we have two equal real roots. But what happens if your discriminant comes less than 0? If your discriminant comes less than 0, then we have no real roots. Why it has no real roots? Because if your discriminant is this value, if it comes less than 0, then your in the square root it will be a negative value which cannot be solved. I hope it's clear to you. Let's discuss one example also related to this. The equation is given to you 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Here we can see a is 3, b is minus 5, as I have cleared earlier also. We are always taking whatever the a, b and c, we are always comparing with the plus sign. So that's why if minus sign comes, then we are taking with the minus sign. So b is minus 5 and c is equal to 2. Let's find d. b square minus 4ac. So b means minus 5 square minus 4, a is 3 and the c is 2. By solving it, we have got it 25 minus 24 equal to 1. Now this 1 is greater than 0. So obviously if 1 is greater than 0, it means d comes greater than 0. So this equation has two natural roots. Now let's find the value of those two different roots which we are giving the name alpha and beta, or you can say it simply x also, is equal to, let's come to the same formula, minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, which we can denote by d also. Minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Let's put the values minus, and the b value is minus 5 plus minus under root, the d value comes 1 upon 2a, so 2 into 3. Minus into minus, obviously it will come plus 5 plus minus, what is the square root of 1? It is 1 only, so upon 6. Now we are taking them separately. Alpha is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 6, which we will get by 6 by 6 equal to 1. Once beta we will take with the minus sign, so it will be 5 minus 1 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 6 equal to 2 by 3. Now students, what you need to do today, here in your book exercise 4.3, first question is given to you by the method of completing the square, and the second question is given to you, do the same by the quadratic formula. So you have to do only and only by the quadratic formula second question, in which you have to do all the parts of first question by quadratic formula. Thank you. Stay at home and stay safe.